Friends, it seems like quite some time has passed since the launch of the Pixel 8 series, as you may know. However, we're now getting news about the Pixel 9 series, and there are leaks circulating about it, along with a trailer that has already been released and might be visible on your screen. This year, the Google is set to launch with two models, the Google Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro. Today, we're going to talk about the Pixel 9 Pro. If you'd like us to make a video about the Pixel 9 as well, please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First things first, let's talk about the design and display. The Pixel 9 Pro sports a sleek and stylish design with a gorgeous 6.5-inch OLED display. It's not just big, it's beautiful too, with vibrant colors and deep blacks that really make your content pop. And with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through your favorite apps and websites feels like a dream. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro is powered by Google's own Tensor G4 chip, paired with 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. What does that mean for you? Well, it means lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing the web, this phone can handle it all with ease. Now let's talk about the camera. The Pixel 9 Pro features a triple camera setup that takes your photography game to the next level. With its advanced AI algorithms and cutting-edge sensors, you can capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. From crisp landscapes to detailed close-ups, every shot is a masterpiece. When it comes to battery life, the Pixel 9 Pro doesn't disappoint either. With its large battery and the efficient software optimization, you can go all day on a single charge. And when it's time to juice up, you've got fast charging and key wireless charging support to get you back up and running in no time. In terms of features, the Pixel 9 Pro has got you covered. From IP68 water and dust resistance to in-screen fingerprint sensor for added security, this phone has everything you need and more. So, there you have it, folks. Our review of the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Overall, I have to say, I'm really impressed with what Google has brought to the table with this phone. It's got the looks, the performance, and the features to rival any flagship out there. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, I highly recommend giving the Pixel 9 Pro a closer look. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.